In the previous video, we have saved all the tickers that we scraped from Wikipedia in this CSV file. And now in this video, we're going to read the CSV file and we're going to download all the price information from those tickers that are inside our CSV file. So we're going to start with creating a markdown, and I will call it reading CSV data. And we're going to write df equals to pd from pandas, read CSV, and I'm going to specify the file as and now it's going to print the data frame from the CSV file. No, PD not defined. I'll have to run pandas again. Okay, so now it's printing the data frame, and now we're going to download the financial information from those stocks. So we need this column here with the tickers, and we're going to download all the ticker information. So download price information and save to CSV. We're going to save it to CSV. In another video, we're going to save it to the database. It depends of how you prefer to work. I prefer to save it to the database, but other people prefer to save it to a CSV file. It depends of how you prefer to work yourself. So we're going to import a few packages, and I'm going to import yfinance as yf because we need that to download the price information. I'm going to import date time as dt because we need this to specify our dates, and this is what we're going to do here. So I'm going to create a start variable, and I'll say dt.datetime, and here I'm going to say 2020 and the 1st of January. So it will start downloading price information from the 1st of January 2020, and the end date will be today. So I will say dt.datetime, and here I will say now. And now is a built-in function, and it's going to give us the date of today. I will create a new variable list, and the list will be the tickers that I want to download. So I'm doing df ticker, and df ticker, this is this column here. So he will download all the stocks in this column. So I have 502 stocks. I will specify a folder, and I've created already here a folder price data. I'm going to save the information inside this folder, and my location is F, projects, S&P500, and price data. So he's going to save all the files in this folder, and I'm going to run it. So I'm going to create a new cell, and now I'm going to write my for loop. So I'll say for ticker in list, and for ticker in list. So this is my list variable, and this is the list. And so when I say for ticker in list, it means that for each ticker in this list, he will follow this code here. So I will say prices df equals to yf.download ticker start and end. So here I specified yf.download, which is the Yahoo Finance function. I specified the ticker, I specified the start date and the end date, and now I'm going to write at the end in curly brackets, I'm going to write adjusted close, because I only want the adjusted close. I don't want the open, I don't want the high, I don't want the low. I only need the adjusted close. I will specify another variable file, and I will say here folder dot plus ticker plus dot CSV. So that's to tell Python how he needs to save this file. So he needs to save this file in this folder with this ticker, and the extension should be .csv. And now I'm going to say prices df to CSV, and I will pass in the variable file. So he will save it in this folder. And at the end, I will say print, and I'll say this ticker has been saved to this ticker has been saved. And I will say plus ticker. And now he's going to print the ticker every time he has downloaded one. So this ticker has been saved, this ticker has been saved. And now it will take a while because he needs to download 503 stocks. He's finished. So some stocks he didn't download, like for instance here BRK.B. This is Berkshire Hathaway, but in Yahoo it's probably going to be BRK-B. If you want to know the exact ticker, you have to go to Yahoo Finance and you type in the company and you will see the ticker code for the company. So right now we saved all the information to a CSV file, and in other videos we will work with this data and we will download also other financial information of those stocks here. So here we downloaded our price information to a CSV file, and now we're going to create a few lines of code to read the CSV file. So I'm going to say read CSV file information. And I'm going to import pandas as PD again. I already imported, you probably also imported it, but for people who didn't follow my previous videos, I will import it again. And I will write again the folder. So the folder where I saved all my information is F projects S&P500 and then price data. I'll say df equals to pd.read CSV. And here I'm going to specify my folder and I'm going to do plus, and here I'm going to specify my file name. So let's imagine that we want to see the information of Apple. So we'll do folder plus, and we open parentheses and we do apple.csv and then df, and I'm going to run it. It's going to print all the information of Apple. So this is how to read the information from a CSV file.